Hey there, girlfriend. Do you struggle with your lip liner? Well, you are in the right place. If you have ever struggled with your lip liner, we're going to give you the 411 on exactly how to overcome any lip liner mistakes that you have made today or even in the past. Let's do this, shall we? Hi there, my name is Ingafay, and I'm a beauty enthusiast. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how you should prep your lips before you even put on any kind of lip liner or lip color. Secondly, we're going to talk about how you choose your lip liner color. This is a common question I get a lot from my clients. So we'll give you the information you need to be successful from this point on. And last but definitely not least, we're going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on exactly how to apply your lip liner. So let's do this, shall we? Yes, so now the first thing that we're going to talk about, girlfriend, is how to prep your lips. Did you know that your lips are naturally dry? Yes, they are. They don't have any oil glands whatsoever. So it's very imperative that you keep your lips hydrated on a regular basis. One of the things that I like to recommend for my clients to do 2 to 3 times a week is to exfoliate your lips. Yes, we're talking your lips, because I'm sure you have experienced your lips getting dry and flaking and just not looking good, and they're feeling really gross when you touch them or even lick them. So what you want to do is remove that dead, dull, and dry skin off of your lips. So then when you apply a Shea Butter lip balm, like the one that's in the Satin lip set, your lips will really be hydrated, because the Shea as well as the jojoba oil and vitamin E are really going to be able to penetrate into your lips, because all of that dead, dull, and dry skin is gone. Basically be preventing the shea butter and the jojoba oil to really do its job. Now, the one thing I love about jojoba oil is it actually is very close to the oil that our body naturally makes. So having a product that has that kind of oil in it is essential for keeping your lips hydrated. So the lip balm is great because it actually hydrates your lips for up to 6 hours. And I really like to do this treatment at night. So when I wake up in the morning and I'm getting ready to go to work or, take my son to school or whatever activity I have, I can immediately just put on my lip balm and I can apply my lip liner and lip color and know that my lips are going to be hydrated because they were hydrated from the night before. So I'm curious, do you exfoliate your lips or do you put lip balm on your lips before you go to bed? Comment below and let us know. We would really like to know what you're thinking or what you're currently doing so we can be of more service to you in the future. We would love to know what you do by commenting below. So now let's talk about this lip liner color. Now, I get asked this all the time. What color lip liner should I get? Well, girl, basically there are 2 answers to this question. And I normally tell people it depends. And the 2 answers are, you can do a flesh tone lip liner, or you can do a lip liner that's the same color as your lipstick. So like I said, it depends. It really is your personal preference. You guys know that I am a firm believer in doing you, boo. So I want you to do what makes you feel comfortable. You can do it either way. Either way is going to enhance your look if that's the desired outcome that you want and the look that you want at the end of the day. That's really what matters. So what I did is, in the tutorial that I'm about to go through, I am going to show you what I did with a lip liner that is close to my flesh tone, and then a lip liner that is the same color as the lipstick or lip gloss that I was wearing. So you'll be able to see the difference, and then at that particular point, you can make an educated decision and decide what you want to do from this point on. But before we go into that step-by-step tutorial, I wanted to remind you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. We upload a video every Tuesday for your viewing pleasure, and we don't want you to miss a beat, so be sure to subscribe. So now, girlfriend, we are now going to talk about how to apply lip liner. Before we get into that, though, I wanted to kind of give you some benefits of why we even wear lip liner. First and foremost, the lip liner helps our lipstick stay in place, so we don't have any feathering or any bleeding. So the lip liner is going to stay on our lips and not get up on the top of our, right up under our nose, or really right close to our chin. I'm sure you guys have seen ladies that have had their lipstick, or even when you applied your lipstick and didn't really have a lip liner, where you kind of had to fix the line. Well, the lip liner is going to help you stay within the lines to really be able to extend your wear and really enhance your the boundaries of your lipstick and the lipstick color. Now, another common question I often get is, okay, so how do you put the lip liner on? Well, I'm going to show you two ways that I have put my lip liner on, and then you can decide which way you want to do. Or really, you may want to do both of them, just depending on whatever look you're trying to achieve. The first way I like to do it is I apply my lip liner just around the outline of my lip. And again, like I said, that is basically to keep the color within the lip line and extend the wear if you desire to do that. Now, when I did this, I used a neutral lip liner to do this. So you could see what it looks like with the neutral lip liner. I am wearing more of a neutral lipstick, which is another reason why I chose the neutral lip liner. But I am able to just go within the lines like I recommended before, as this being an option, having a neutral lip liner to go within the lines. The lip liner that I did choose is a neutral lip liner, very close to my complexion, but it is not the actual color of the lip liner that I tried. I mean, the lip color that I tried. The lip color is a neutral color, kind of a pale pink color, and the lip liner is called a deep nude. And the deep nude is kind of a medium brown, I'll say. That I use. So it's not exactly the same color as the lipstick, but I did want to show you this as a reference so you would know what it looks like. So this is what I have on here. So the lip color that I used was Rosewood Lipstick. I used a deep nude lip liner, and then I applied a nude blush lip color, well, really lip gloss on top to give it the shine. So this is an example of using a flesh tone lip liner. Now, in this next example, I wanted to show you what I did with a plum lip liner. I love the color plum on my lips. So what I did, not only did I go around the contour of my lips with the lip liner, I actually fill my lips in with the lip liner as well. Now, this is a great recommendation for people that really want to extend their wear. It allows your lipstick to stay on longer. In addition to that, it also can be used as just a lip color by itself. So you use the lip liner and it gives you a matte look, almost like a matte lipstick look when you apply it. I know recently I had one of my customers that wanted a really deep, dark brown lip color. And I knew that at the time we really didn't have that deep, dark brown lip liner that she wanted. So I recommended that she actually use a dark chocolate liner instead, and she loved it. So if you're looking for more lip color flexibility, or if you want to have a certain color and you're trying to blend colors together, filling your lip in with the lip liner can help you accomplish that customized lip color look that you're looking for. So always keep that in mind when you are thinking of different colors that you like, whatever your color family be, whether it's a red or a neutral or a plum or even a mauve. So I fill in my lips with the lip liner like I described, and then I just put on a gloss on top of it just to give it a little shine. But just like I just mentioned, that gloss was not required. I could have just left it by itself and just had the matte look. And being that I had already applied the lip balm on my lips the night prior, and my lips had all night to be hydrated, I don't have that really dry, cracky feeling that often people tell me about when they put on a matte lipstick. My lips were moisturized because I had done the prep work first, and then the matte look is in, these days with the liner. I just use the liner to accomplish it more than a lipstick. So what I want you guys to do is to check out the description. I have listed all of the different lip liner colors. I have listed the satin lips that we talked about that would help prep your lips the night before, in addition to some of the lip colors that I use in the tutorial, just to kind of give you a step-by-step instruction. So as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.